Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that might sound intimidating at first, but I promise it's not as complicated as it seems. We're talking about ANOVA, or analysis of variance. So what exactly is ANOVA? In simple terms, ANOVA is a statistical method used to compare the means of 3 or more groups to see if they're significantly different from each other. Imagine you have 3 different study groups, and you want to know if their test scores are different because of the teaching methods used. That's where ANOVA comes in handy. Now let's break it down. ANOVA helps us answer the question, are the differences in our data due to actual differences between groups, or just random chance? It does this by looking at 2 types of variances, within-group variance and between-group variance. Within-group variance is how much the scores vary within each group. Think of it as the differences among students in the same class. Between-group variance, on the other hand, looks at the differences between the groups. It's like comparing the average scores of different classes. The key outcome of ANOVA is the F statistic. If this F value is large, it suggests that the group means are not all the same. But to know if these differences are statistically significant, we compare the F value to a critical value from an F distribution table. If our F value is greater, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there are significant differences among the groups, and that's a wrap. By using ANOVA, we can make informed decisions based on our data. I hope this quick guide has made ANOVA a bit clearer for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.